Hi guys, this is Bett&win. Welcome back again to my channel. I just discovered new tricks about 15 minutes call. I just discovered it today about 15 minutes call. It's working perfectly. So since the day before yesterday, I've been just watching the tricks, the strategy, and it's been playing well. So I just for me to be sure about it, I've been watching it playing well. So today I decided to grab it, and this trick is working perfectly. I've already posted it on my second channel. So this trick now, I'm only giving it to 30 people only. Only 30 people is what I'm giving it to. This 15 minutes call. So this is how I'll do about these tricks. I'll create a WhatsApp group. Then 30 people only is what I need for these tricks, to give these tricks. So if you know that you have 6,000 for these tricks, chat me on WhatsApp. I'm giving it only to 30 people. After 30 people, I'll create a group. You join, maybe either by the link on the description of this video, or you chat me on WhatsApp. I'll add you on that group. Once it's 30, nobody is joining again. If you enter the group and you see 30 people there, you just leave. You just leave. Only thing I need is only 30 people for this strategy, to give this strategy video. Then what I'll be doing is, once we use this strategy of 15 minutes call for that 30 people, once the trees stop, I will now find another trees again and still repost it again on the group, on that WhatsApp group. I will now post it again on that WhatsApp group for that 30 people. I will do it for 1 month. I will do it for 1 month. I will just record the tricks, the secret of that strategy. Anyone that I discover, I will post it on the group for that 30 people only. That's how I'll be giving this strategy to only 30 people. I don't want more than 30 people. Only 30 people I need for this strategy. Then the price for this, I will give one person is 6,000. So if you have 6,000, chat me on WhatsApp or join the WhatsApp group link that I will post on the description of this video. Then use it to join the group. Once we are 30, I'm not adding anybody again until we finish for the first month. That is, this strategy I'm giving now is for 1 month. Then it's not only this strategy that I will be using for that 1 month. I will also find out another strategy on Zoom Soccer. Zoom Soccer, 15 minutes call. Any team can score. Any team can score. All you need is let there be a goal before 15 minutes. And this is working perfectly. You can see how I grab this 20 odd. This is 20 odd. 20.90 odd. I grab here on Zoom Soccer. So this is the second one I'm just grabbing today. So if you need this trees, chat me on WhatsApp on 07036760527. I repeat, WhatsApp number for this strategy is 07036760527. Alright guys, see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and also share this video. In order for you to be notified anytime I drop new video, just go to that bell. So that's thing that look like a bell on top. Click on it and click all, so you'll be notified anytime I drop new video on this channel. Alright guys, this is Bett&win. See you on the next video. Our WhatsApp number still remains 07036760527. Once you need this strategy, I'm not forcing anybody. Once you need it, if you're interested on this strategy, you chat me on WhatsApp. I'll make a video and drop it for you. And don't forget that it's not for free. This strategy is not for free. I will show you how I always get this. It's a secret strategy that I will draw for you as a video, showing you step by step on how to grab it. Alright guys, this is Bett&win. See you on the next video.